Valve shut forces it to go through the chambers, valves open, more straight through. Here we have it, the elusive Raptor mid pipe. We done it. A one of one, the only one in the world Raptor mid pipe. We had a muffler especially made, the first in the world and the only. All of your valves work, all of your modes work, and it gets rid of that tinny sound that we all love so very much. That tinny sound is due to this engineering marvel. This Raptor here has 4,000 Ks on the clock and it is already rusty inside. That's why they've all got this little weep hole. A muffler should not have a weep hole. There's no packing. The baffling is just holes drilled into a bit of plate. These mufflers here, they are properly chambered, and inside the chambers, they have fiberglass packing, baffling, and a bit of stainless steel wool. Try and copy it, I dare ya. Everyone loves their valves, they want their BAJA mode. That makes everything extremely challenging, so thank you for that. This section here replaces your factory mid section. All you have to do is cut what we tell you. So the way that this works is with your valve shut, it's forced to go through this one tube, through all of the baffling. With them open, it goes straight through, but it still has a little bit of muffle because we've all heard a straight through Raptor, and that makes baby Jesus cry. So because we spent so much time making the dies for the dump pipes, funnily enough, those same dies work for the mid pipe. They are interchangeable. So even if you don't have our dump pipes, this will fit with your factory dumps. We've made it so that all that you have to do is follow our measurements, cut the pipes where we say, undo it from here, put it on there, cut, bang, done, race car. So now that that's gone, we can get that performance sound that we've all been waiting for. As we know, it's got a rev limiter in neutral. I want to put it under load so that I can put the brake on a bit and just give it some sort of depth. We've got it up on the 4-post hoist. We're about to strap it down and then we'll show you what it's like in the different modes. The difference between quiet and normal, it's not too noticeable. So I'm going to go quiet, sports, BAJA. Just do a few runs of each and show you the difference, show you that the modes still work. So now I'm going to do it under load, on the hoist, everything's strapped down, and I'm just going to go through. We're in quiet mode now, and I'm going to give it a quick burst in second, rev it out, and so we're going to do a run in sports mode now, and so we're in quiet, this will be sports mode, and I'm going to go run into second. That's sports mode, and I'm going to change to BAJA now. So again, holding about 3.5, 4-ish with a bit of load on. So that's 8 months of my life built into Raptors. In that time, we also did these beautiful twin pods, and we like turbo smart blow off valves, so it has one of them. If you want more of an autistic breakdown on all of these products, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to do it like a kid with trains.